Introducing a newly designed mini gigabit 2-port PoE extender, PoE Extender. The PoE Extender does two jobs at once. First, it extends PoE power and data transmission by another 100 meters, about 330 feet, over standard Cat5 or Cat6 cable, with no separated power supply at the device end. Second, it splits the single PoE feed to power two PoE devices, IP cameras, access terminals, wireless APs, or even IP phones. It runs the full gigabit bandwidth on all ports and delivers a standard PoE power, compliant with IEEE 802.3 AF and 802.3 ATPD devices. The design is industrial grade, housed in compact metal enclosure, and improves the heat dissipation and holds up the demanding installation environments. Compared with the previous PoE Extender, this version is mainly a structural and mounting upgrade. It uses a new generation enclosure and it now supports wall mount in addition to DIN rail. And both the DIN rail and the wall mount accessories are included in the box. The footprint is essentially unchanged, 82.7 by 53.6 by 25.8 millimeters, against the earlier 82.7 by 53 by 25.8. The takeaway is flexibility. The new unit is easier to fit inside cabinets, low-voltage boxes, on the wall, or right next to the edge devices. The bigger story is how the PoE Extender O2G compares with the PoE Extender O2. The PoE Extender O2 is a proven commercial-grade base model, plastic enclosure, 100 megabit on all ports, with 802.3 AT input feeding two 802.3 AF outputs. The PoE Extender O2G moves that platform forward. It uses a metal enclosure for industrial environments and it runs gigabit on every port. It takes an 802.3 AT 30 watts PoE input and supports two 802.3 AT outputs. And here's the key point. Those two outputs share a total 30 watts PoE budget, not 30 watts each. Both models support DIN rail and wall mount. If your project needs a basic 100 megabit throughput in standard commercial setting, the PoE Extender O2 is still fit. If you need a gigabit bandwidth and metal enclosure and industrial design, the PoE Extender is a better fit. The PoE Extender is a compact choice for one specific need. If your project calls for more ports, longer distance, outdoor protection, or different power classes, we offer the full PoE Extender line, including models such as PoE EXT9014G, EXT301LP, or EXT602GP, and PoE SW305WP. The right choice comes down to your project's distance, port count, and power requirements.